I'm Jordyn with Keller Williams and Smallegan Real Estate. Today, let's take a stroll through the spacious and practical 3316 West River Road. This place is all about living well. Great schools, great food, and outdoor fun are around the corner. Let's head inside. This staircase is just the beginning of what makes this house a home. The kitchen's big enough for family breakfast and midnight snacks. And these balconies, they're your go-to for fresh air and a nice view anytime. The living room and dining room area are all about kicking back and spending time with your favorite people. With 5 bedrooms, everyone gets their own corner of the world. And with 4 bathrooms, mornings just got a lot easier. The master bedroom is spacious and the bathrooms are updated, simple as that. The basement's huge and ready for whatever you've got in mind. Game room, storage, you name it. Out back, the barn's a bonus for whatever you're into, and with this much land, there's potential for just about anything. The backyard's ready for your best days, complete with a fireplace that's perfect for Michigan's cool nights, and a pond that's just plain nice to look at. 3316 West River Road is straightforward. It's a solid, spacious home that's ready for real life, and it's within a short drive from Muskegon's local gems. Interested? I'm Jordyn, and I'm just a call away. Let's make this house your home.